Good morning. So we're going to be checking out the PD25 from Fenix. You could check them out at fenixlighting.com. And so this is the PD25. It's a 550 lumen light. It's a little bitty guy, so let's check it out. So this light normally is about 74 to 75 bucks. I think I got it for about $56 actually. So it comes with a little carry case, little Velcro carry case, belt loop. Seems to be nice Cordura. It also has the lanyard and a little O-ring. And the instruction manual. So this light is a little bitty guy. This is going to be for my EDC. It's going to be my everyday carry light. It's got a nice little belt clip on there to snap to the outside of your pocket, you know, if you're carrying. So it's always there. It runs on, let's take this little belt clip off. So it runs on CR123A battery, or you can get the rechargeables, which is the 16.3, yeah, it is the 5 volt, 500 mAh. So there it is. That's a little battery. It's rechargeable. It goes into USB, and there's the recharge port right there. So there it is. Little bitty guy. It's got 4 modes. It's got the low mode, which is they call Echo, which is actually 5 lumens. They've got a low, which is 50 lumens, medium, which is 150 lumens, and turbo, which is their brightest mode. And that's 550 lumens. So, and then with the CR123A batteries, it's actually 440 lumens. I'm not sure why, but this is how it is. So this light has also it's IPX8 rated, which is 2 meters or 6.5 feet for waterproofness, so you could submerge it up to 6.5 feet. It's impact resistant for 1 meter, so that is 3.28 feet. It's it's a XPL VA LED, which is 50,000 hours lifespan. Pretty awesome little light. Can't wait to actually start carrying it. It's got a little lanyard hole right there. But pretty awesome. So when it's on, you'll turn it on, and then this right here sets your modes, that little button right there, so you can select your modes. And it's a memory mode, so if you select it for medium or echo or turbo, and every time you hit that little button, it's going to stay where it's at. So that's really awesome. But this light, let's see, with the battery, it weighs 2.4 ounces. We're going to measure it from here. So it's 3 9/16 long. The front bezel, it's got a nice little strike bezel on it, right here. So let's go right here. It looks like it is about 3/4 of an inch wide. So, anyway, that is the PD25 light from Fenix. So pretty small little one. And also, when I get the battery charger, I put a CR123A battery in it. We'll do a review during the night so we can check out the different modes. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and if this helps you out at all, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and like, and then leave a comment. I'd be happy to hear your comments. So, great little light. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.